Welcome to Andrea's Trini Kitchen, and today's recipe is going to be rock cakes. For my recipe, I am going to use 2 cups of sifted flour, half cup of light brown sugar, half a teaspoon of nutmeg grated, 2 teaspoons of baking powder sifted, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1 stick of softened butter or quarter pound, 1 medium egg, 2 tablespoons of carnation milk, and 5 ounces of raisins. So let's get started. First, I'm going to beat the egg. So this is what I do. I crack the egg, make sure that there's no shells in the egg, and you just gently whisk the egg until it's kind of light and frothy. Okay? I'm going to put the butter. So the butter must be softened, because if it's hard, it's going to be sort of tough to mix, okay? So you have the butter softened. With the butter, I'm going to add the sugar. Mix them together. The butter and the sugar being mixed together. Now you can add the egg. This is rock cake, folks. If your family comes over with some kids, you can whip up a little bit of rock cake for them. Okay? So I'm going to add the flour next. A little bit at a time. And you just keep on mixing. Keep on mixing. You can put a little milk at this time. This is a really delicious treat. Now I'm going to use my fingers now to combine everything together. Okay, so we're going to put in the rest of the ingredients. The nutmeg, the rest of the vanilla essence, the baking powder, the carnation milk, and the raisins. You could use a variety of fruits. If you don't have to use raisins, you could use cranberries. You can mix peel, and you just rub it in until it feels like crumbs in your hand. Rub it in until it feels like crumbs in your hand. Rock cakes. Get all together. And I have a grease baking dish set aside already. As I said, you could use a variety of fruits. So it depends on what you like. Okay? So now I'm going to use this buttered baking dish. Right? You can make it a little bigger. You're not going to put it in one of those muffin trays. You just want to make it like little rocks. You want the raisins to be showing in each one of them. Enjoy the music in the background. And I've preheated my oven 350, so I'm going to actually bake this for like 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, no longer than that. So this is how the rock cake looks before it goes into the oven. And I'm going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll be back in about 20 minutes for the finished product. Okay, the rock cake has been in the oven for like 20 minutes. Oh wow, look how beautiful. It smells good. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to get burned. I'm going to take them out one by one and put it on a cooling rack. Okay, the cookie rack. Beautiful. Rock cakes. Served anytime. You feel it for a nice little baking dessert. You can make them at different sizes. Wow. You can even put 2 in your kids' lunch bag for school. Or you can give 2 to the neighbors just to let them know how good you can make that. Okay? So, this is my rock cake. Looks beautiful, smells beautiful. You can smell all that essence and that nutmeg. So what I'm going to do is to display it with you. Display a few of them. And it is being served with a cup of hot tea. Okay? Being served with hot tea. Okay, rock cakes, and I'm going to take a bite of it with a cup of tea. Mmm. 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 This is so delicious. So for more beautiful videos, baking videos, I'm going to put the ingredients in the box below, so you can have those ingredients for this beautiful rock cake. And I'm going to come back every time, filling you guys up with loads of recipes from Andrea Trini's Kitchen. This is your girl Andrea saying good night.